First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
It does look good that we've got some sunshine out there at this midday hour, as we've seen cloud cover all morning long. And those of you to the east of us have had cloud cover all morning long. And that cloud cover still remains out to the east of us. But on First Alert Live Doppler radar, you'll still seeing a few flurries down to the south of us, and along the Cumberland Plateaus you head out I-40 to the east toward Cookeville and Crossville. Back to the west, we're seeing some sunshine. Once you head east of I-65, still some clouds and even a few flurries, as we're only at 24 degrees, but it is nice to finally get a little bit of sun working in here, even though it's not going to last very long. We do have that winter weather advisory we'll talk more about in just a minute. In the meantime, area temperatures around south central Kentucky still only in the low teens off to the north, and then you start to see some 20s further south. Now, some of these temperatures may be skewed just a little bit because we've had some ice at some of the reporting stations off to the north and west of us. So you see a 24 in Hartford, then you see 10 in Calhoun and 10 in Hardinsburg. I don't think there's that much of a disparity between the actual temperatures. They're probably a little bit warmer than what the readings are showing there, but we've had ice affect some of the mesonet stations off to the north and west of us, and that's why you see that difference in temperature that close together. But finally, as we see some blue sky with a few clouds looking down Scottsville Road in front of the airport. Clouds, though, are going to make a comeback as we get into tonight and early tomorrow. 19 degrees. Current temperature reading now in Bowling Green with a very calm wind. Only a light southwest wind at 2 miles per hour. We check a few of our AAA Systems weather cams. You see Litchfield at 13. You got down as low as 4 degrees this morning at the Mesonet site there. And you're seeing some blue sky finally over Grayson County. But as you look off down, say, US 62 to the west, you can see some clouds off in the distance. That's actually some of the clouds that'll be moving in late day. And that snow that's sitting on the ground, you've heard it before. The snow stays on the ground waiting for the next round to come through, and that will certainly be the case for you. Munfordville in Hart County, you're seeing some sunshine. You're at 17 degrees in this hour. You're seeing a few more clouds, as mentioned. East of I-65 is where it's mainly cloudy. 18 degrees in Glasgow. You got down to 4 degrees very early this morning. It's 18 at Mammoth Cave National Park. Look at the high water there in the Green River Basin. Certainly the flood warnings are going to continue along the Green River, so keep that in mind. That will continue through much of the weekend. 20 degrees now at the Bowling Green Airport, single digits in teens to the north. A little bit warmer, 30s and 40s further south. Look at all the advisories now up for a good chunk of the southwestern corner of Kentucky, northwestern Middle Tennessee, the Boot Hill of Missouri, down through Little Rock in central Arkansas. The green shaded counties are those flood warnings that I was telling you about. The blue indicating the winter weather advisory. This is the swath of everyone that's supposed to get or is forecast to get some light snow overnight tonight, early tomorrow, and that includes us. There you see the clouds on the increase. These will steadily increase as we go through the afternoon. The onset of the precipitation, though, is going to hold back until probably sometime after midnight. We're trying to see some little echoes getting going back to the west. Nothing that's real definite right now as far as the timing, but we do think for us in southern Kentucky, it is going to be sometime after the midnight hour and early tomorrow morning. As high pressure moves away, this little piece of energy, that's what that is, a trough or little bend or ripple in the atmosphere, is going to set off that little round of snow. Then by midday tomorrow, it should be gone. But then here comes another piece of energy, this time in the northern stream, that will bring us a chance of snow showers or flurries for Sunday. Today, partly sunny, cold, 27. Snow likely tonight, 22. Then tomorrow, snow ending by midday at 33. Another hit of snow, light snow on Sunday at 34. Monday, we get a break and yet again a third round, a third system coming in for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. And with the temperatures where they are forecast, you expect a mixed bag of precipitation as this fickle winter continues in southern Kentucky. We're back with more in just a minute.